Seymour's is an amazing little gem in Palm Springs. I tell people it's like a little time capsule. So you're like walking into history, and you feel it when you walk in. You just have this like, wow. It's amazing how many locals don't even know about us because we are so hidden. When I'm creating a cocktail for a guest, I like to focus on local ingredients because I want something that's so fresh and it's gonna have layers. I want people to leave my bar saying, wow, this was an experience. I've never had a cocktail like this before. It's all about listening to your guests, listening to what they want and knowing what's behind you, behind the bar, and what you have. Just bring it together. It's like I like to say it's like being a chef. A lot of bartenders don't like that term of, we're like chefs, but we are. Basically what you're doing is you're taking all of these different components and you're balancing them all out to create this masterpiece. I love when a guest asks me, this is what I'm thinking. I want this, this, and that. Go to my little chemist lab and I'll just start whipping up these, wonderful flavor profiles, and I present it to my guests and I watch them as they're going, ooh, oh, ah, whoa, wow. It's like, oh yes, I accomplished it. You always need to challenge yourself. You always need to find out what the new craze is that's going on. I think the biggest mistake is for a bartender to say, okay, I'm gonna make Cosmos gin and tonic, and then they stop. Either they're afraid to jump in or take a risk. That's the thrill, is to challenge yourself. You should constantly challenge yourself. My thing is I want my guests to be happy. I want my guests to leave here like, wow, this was an experience. Wow, I've never had a drink like this before. I'm definitely gonna come back.